What's up, my fellow viewers? Today we're in Washington, D.C. and we're gonna try out
La Famosa
Puerto Rican Kitchen restaurant. Follow me.
So this restaurant is located at 1300 4th Street Southeast in Washington, D.C. As you can see, I'm heading straight to the corner because I spotted a swinging bench with an attractive view. Yeah.
So to start off, we're gonna try out the grilled swordfish, which in Spanish is el pez de espada. This that you see here is a mango sauce, a tropical mango sauce. So for this meal here, we have what's called a shrimp mofongo, which is basically fried plantains that are mashed with shrimp in like a red sauce. So let's try it out. So this right here is the passion fruit mousse. Wow. This is definitely a 10 out of 10.